Hello everyone friends. Today on the channel I'll show what to do if you can't connect and play Minecraft online. First, I recommend checking if you're on the same network for local games and if your internet is working. If you're sure about that, then follow these next steps. Go to Games. Here, select the world you want to play. Click on the pencil icon and make sure multiplayer is enabled. That's it. If it's enabled but you still can't play, check here. Everywhere. Next, open your browser. Search in Google for Xbox, Windows 10, Online Security Safety. Go to the site, click on your account, click the three dots, then Xbox Settings. Log into the account you want to play on. Click on Xbox and Windows 10 devices online safety. Make sure everything is set to allow, and so on. Then click the Submit button. After this, about 90% of your issues should be resolved. Goodbye, everyone.